Charli, look! Look, Charli, look!
Come on, come on, come on.
Look at her. She thinks she can catch them. Hey, give her a couple Fritos.
Charli, look! Look!
Charli!
Come on, baby, wake up! Take that one.
Come on.
Look. Come over here. Over here. Charli, do you want to feed them? Do you want to feed the birdies? Can she have one? She wants to feed the birdies. Can she have one?
Come on. Oh, yeah.
Here, right here, Charli.
Here, come get these.
Here, you can feed the birdies. Can you give that to a birdie?
Throw it in the air.
She threw it. Pick it up. Okay,
Here, throw it to the birdies.
Johnny Crystals.
Go right in there. Come on.
Sorry, birds. Oh, she just put it in her mouth.
It's got sand on it. She'll learn.
Yeah, I was gonna say, that's
Throw it. Throw it, Charli. Throw it.
Oh, yeah. Come on.
This will wear her out. Oh, right there. Right there.
Throw it. Throw it.
She wants that black one there.
Throw it. She likes that little black one.
She likes the pigeon. Seagulls everywhere, and she wants a pigeon.
Throw it. Oh, maybe I can catch it. Throw it.
That's good stuff.
Throw it, Charli. Throw it.
Okay.